This summer, it's not the actors or the athletes taking the spotlight. It's the readers. Because in Garland ISD, readers are stars. Garland ISD's summer reading program is rolling out the red carpet for you. Read on Sora, your digital library packed with thousands of ebooks and audiobooks. Sora is like your VIP pass to the biggest titles of the summer. Access it through ReadyHub on your Chromebook, tablet, or phone. And don't forget, every minute you read earns you a star on the Walk of Fame in Beanstack. Log those minutes all summer long and help your schools shine. Compete for the famous traveling trophy. We're talking school-wide bragging rights and campus prizes for top readers. And if that's not enough, visit your campus library homepage and click on MackinVIA for even more books and audiobooks, all free. Parents, encourage your child to read for at least 20 minutes a day and make it a family event. And don't forget about our awesome community libraries. This summer, don't just watch the stars, be one. Grab your book, log your minutes, compete for prizes, earn your place on Garland ISD's Walk of Fame because this summer,
GISD readers are stars.